In this module, we are going to talk about dominant culture. One of the most important functions of the media is to win the support of the audience to the interests of the elite class and dominant culture. Western culture is dominant over the developing countries. Western culture, political structures, and economic ways are imposed on the developing world. Western lifestyle is sold through Western media products, movies, and TV shows. People who are living in the developing world are more prone to buy Western brands and they feel proud while buying those brands. And this is how a show off culture is being introduced in the developing world with the Western brands. Dominant culture is mainly spread through the following means: cultural export through business, academic books and literature, films, music. Some countries fiercely oppose the dominant culture of the United States and France as well. But question is, how can they deny the facts that majority of the population, when going to enjoy that music or that literature which is coming from the West and considering it a source of pride, even that is not relevant with their native literature or culture? Americanization, that is influence of the United States on the culture of other countries, a substitution of local culture with American culture. For example, Coca Cola, Burger King, and Domino Pizza. If you could see that, especially in the subcontinent, Shakar Cola was more popular than any other cola. But gradually you would see Pepsi, Coca Cola, such colas were introduced. And I read there was a sentence in a book that cola is more popular than Bush. So you can imagine that how much the dominant culture of these multinational corporations is coming from the West. What are the major characteristics of this dominant culture? The group whose members are in the majority, white people, elite class, technologically advanced countries, politically stable, economically powerful. So these are the attributes which show that how that dominant culture can be separate. The media is attributed to be the driving force of cultural globalization in two communally interdependent ways. The media provides a far reaching international transmission of dominant cultural products. It contributes to the creation of communicative networks and social structures. Media is a major pillar, I would say, that is spreading different cultural norms and values through westernization, are popularly known as Americanization. But again, I would say, when they try to convince people, you may call them clients, customers, through their services and goods, automatically you are penetrating the culture of that civilization from where those goods and services are exported, are imported. So it is media that is making a difference in the life of the people who are going to adopt the values of other cultures.